Police are still searching for the 2 men out of the 5 who escaped custody at the Maypen lock-up Thursday morning, April 30. 2 of the men were arrested quickly close to the station. Police yesterday afternoon named the 3 who were on the run. However, reports are that one has been captured. He has been identified as Agasious Robinson, age 27, of Rocky Point, Clarendon, who was charged with burglary. Still on the run are Jubani Dyer, age 25, of Denbigh, Clarendon, who was charged with illegal possession of firearm, and Colin Bailey, age 18, of Bucknor, Clarendon, was charged with rape. During a routine check of the lockup by the officers on duty about 4:30 a.m. Thursday, it was discovered that 5 prisoners had escaped by removing an extraction fan in the facility. Police are appealing to anyone with information on the whereabouts of Jubani Dyer and Colin Bailey to contact the Maypen Criminal Investigation Branch at 876-382-2077, Crime Stop at 311, or the nearest police station. Additionally, members of the public are reminded of their responsibility to report the whereabouts of the fugitive, as it is a crime offense to harbor them. Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content, and remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.